Here we're pressure washing a pergola. Pressure washing, removing all the existing stain, stripping it. Pergola, cedar pergola. Also pressure washing deck. Actually 2 decks, but you can see the other one. It's behind that plastic over there. Anyway, pressure washing a pergola. Very time-consuming, arduous task to remove all this existing stain. Had a oil base. I would recommend not putting oil base on any pergola. Better to put something more user-friendly like an acrylic or a water base. Very difficult to remove the existing stain, but we did it. Stripped it, removed the existing stain, pressure washed it, and now we'll go ahead and put our finish on it. This is pressure washing, deck cleaning, and staining, the washing stage on a pergola. Daystar Quality. Find us on the websites godaystar.com and thedeca.com. Zoom in a little bit. And we'll go on to the staining next.